Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can change language in Castle Movie app. So first step is launch your. Let me show you. First step is launch the Castle streaming app. Step 2 is navigate to the profile settings. So open the app and look at your profile. You should see the settings icon above, usually indicated with a gear or cogwheel. This icon is typically at the top right or bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to display your account option. Then step 3 is language. Let me show you. Here it is. Step 3 is language and region settings. So open the settings menu and then scroll down to and search for language, app language or language preferences. It could be filled under general settings or app preferences. Then select this your preferred language. Select language, which will show a list of available language. Go through the list and choose your preferred language by tapping the name. Now step 5 is confirm the language change. The next step is to confirm the language change of favorite your language and the app with yourself. Tap confirm or OK to proceed. In few cases it will ask you to relaunch the app before implementing these changes. Now step 6 is content, subtitle and auto language changer. So play the movie or show you want to watch. If you are reading this, then surely it is about subtitles or audio language. When you play back the audio, tap on the screen and you will see some controls in the bottom half of screen. Just like this, you can find the subtitles, this type of icon. Then you can simply click on it to get the subtitles and the dub on the different language. Then start the Castle streaming app on in your desired language. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.